Hi, hello. All right, so we're at it again. Hello, Jason, good to see you. How will you be torturing me today? We're training for, a certain reason.
It's a necessity.
It's a necessity. It's great for our mind, it's great for our body. What about anti-aging? If you tell me this is gonna help me so that I don't age, I'm gonna work harder.
I'm 50 years old. Can you believe that? Really, what I want you to focus on today is to get that feel and start connecting to the muscles. We're really going to isolate a lot of things. We're going to do a lot of single leg work. We're going to warm the body up.
Goals too, like I've talked about wanting to do one arm push up.
You do one arm push up, and that's a pull up.
Oh, sorry. I want to do a one arm pull up.
I'm going to get you to do a one arm pull up.
Incredible. I want to do that.
I'm not even kidding. I got something. I got it. Let's do a little bit of, let's grease the joints.
We're starting strong. We grease joints here. We don't warm up. We grease.
Take this elbow, right? We're just going to start warming up this hip. Drop that elbow down as far down to the ground as you can here. You should feel stretching through the hip. I feel it in my groin, right? Take that arm, rotate out. Oh. I want to see what your squat looks like here, but also claw the floor a little bit.
Yep.
You feel that?
Yeah.
So when we're squatting, when we're doing single leg squats, a lot of this stuff, we want to have like 3 points of contact. That big toe, right, outside of the foot, small toe, and then also the heel. That 3 points gives you a really good, helps with the stability there.
Yeah.
Let's do this. Let's grab 5-pound weights. We're going to do this like little pendulum shoulder warm up. Try this. Get ready because it's going to be really tough at the top. Can you push your butt back more and bend over? Yeah, much better, much better. Okay, here we go. You ready?
So I'm like neutral here.
No. Yeah, neutral's the other way. Palms facing each other. Palms face each other. There, now do it.
Oh.
Right, big breath in. And then breathing back, breathe out. Yeah.
Back here.
Uh-huh. And then come up, big breath. Up. And then back out, squeeze. Just wait till we move past the warm-up.
Oh, wait, we're still in the warm-up? God damn it.
I just want you straight across. Pull everything back as far as you can. Squeeze, hold, and then bring it out slow, and then pull it back. Okay, so put your feet that way, face me. I put the top foot in front of the bottom foot here. Yep, but put your top foot in front of this foot here.
Oh, like that.
But let's see how your hip's still back like that. Take your hip and roll it towards me. Feel the difference?
Well, yeah, it sucks more.
Yeah, good. And then we go back, slow, control. Even from here, look, I'm not falling. I'm trying to...
Yeah, you're controlling it. Holy moly. Okay. Is this right to start?
Hold it. You're going to hold it, and then you're going to pull. Yeah. Don't let it fall.
I hate you.
Bring the arms up.
I'm up. There. And then...
So, now see where you went on your toe? When you're trying to go up, focus more on those 3 points and the heel.
Yep.
So a little bit more heel on this one, and that'll get the glute firing. Bring your knee more to your chest, a little more. Pull it back.
This one?
Yeah. Do you feel the difference now? You can.
Yeah.
Right? All right. So that's more of an extension into the hip, right? Now we're going to work on flexion in the hip. So I'm standing up straight. What am I going to do?
Okay.
I'm shifting back. I'm not even going down yet. I'm just pushing my hips back as far as I can. Right there, I feel a stretch right here. That way, I'm in stretch and sit back and down. Hold that position. Now hold it. Pull your knee towards me. Good. And stand up.
Woo!
Now here we go. So if I'm starting up here, I'm in this position. Lock it. You should be able to feel your left glute firing.
Yep.
Locks the hip. It gives you stability, right? So now, what we're going to do dynamically, we're going to move, push that hip back. Look, try to stabilize it in this position right here. It's not easy, right? Now, if you need to, use the hands on the bench like this, right here. Grab the bench like that. And look, yeah, exactly. So rotate all the way, stand tall, right? Do you feel the glute firing out there on the right leg?
Yeah.
Now take this whole thing. Bend and let the knee bend a little bit. Rotate down slowly. Rotate that hip through. Yeah, you feel the stretch on the left butt cheek?
Yeah, this is great.
Is it right? Yeah, now come back out of it. Go back out of it, stand tall.
Yeah, I feel a major difference. It's like hard for me to open up on this side.
Right? So we have got to fix these things before we start loading movements and get into the fun stuff of the weight.
I'm glad that we're including this in the video, because I feel like that's part of why this channel is so cool to me. It's because it's not just about showing like the successes, which is what people saw before. It was like we saw all of the amazing greatest hits, but not
But
how
it's
we get
also
there.
what everybody puts out there too. It's like, you know, this is my PR. This is like me doing the hardest damn things ever, which is what we filmed, you know, is all of your like, you know, the greatest hits from our workouts. But they don't realize that we actually started with all of these really fundamental, easy moves before we got to that point. And that's one of the reasons why we built so much resiliency, and you were able to like not really get injured from, or not get injured from doing.
I didn't get injured.
So let's reach high, breathe in. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull back and down like a squat position. Keep the spine neutral. None of this stuff. I don't understand why people are doing this. See it all the time. Breathe in. Yeah, pull the butt down more. Right there. Push it back, pull it down. Keep the chest up. Now go hard. Go. Let's finish up with a stretch. So look, sit back, spread the knees out, reach forward here, right there, and just let everything fall. You should feel a stretch in your lower back. All right, next one. Legs up like this. Cross this leg over here. That foot's on the outside of that knee. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna roll over like this. I'm gonna have you do an iso pull-up hold, because we haven't done pull-ups in forever. So the pull-ups on your rack, I want them in a neutral grip like this.
Ready?
Just hold the top position, pull the knees up, pull the toes up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and go. Hold it. Yeah, right there. Hold that position. That a girl. Oh, the shaking will ensue within probably 5 or 10 seconds. You just kind of zen out. You're doing great. But by pulling the knees up, it actually keeps that spine neutral, keeps the abs engaged. That's 25 seconds. You're doing great. Work through it. Fire, fire, fire. Let it shake. Let it shake. Come on. 35 seconds. You're doing great. Come on, 40. Let's do a minute. Let's get to a minute. 15. Oh my God. 10 seconds. Oh, she's still got it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. Oh, that was good. You have any questions for me?
Is there anything that you'd love for people to know? Like,
It just worries me a little bit, because there's a lot more to it than just this muscle, that muscle, mirror, look good, this side, you know, like, and maybe this is just my perspective and my opinion, you know, but I've been doing this for 25 years now, and I got a pretty good grip on it. I just want to see people getting more out of it. But I guess it's up to them to figure out what they want out of it.
if you want more of these videos, like it.
They will get more impressive as we go. This is a progression.
Yeah.
Let's keep in mind, like, this is something where this is like start. Good to see you.
All right, good to see you too. All right. Well, I'm feeling pretty good. Hope that was of use, helpful. I mean, that's my whole goal with this channel, is to kind of demystify and share information. As always, thank you so much. I really appreciate you taking the time out of your incredible life to spend it here on my channel. Hope you are happy and safe in your body. Love you. Bye.